Day for my 1-month checkup, and it kind of came about. I've had bad vision. I've been legally blind, uncorrected, since about 4th grade, so I had glasses and contacts for 13 years, glasses for longer than that, and it was just, you take off the glasses and the world stops. You know, you can't walk, you're just praying, you know, until you can find your glasses. But and so I knew Dr. Helen as my doctor, and Dr. Helen Bowerman, and she goes to church with me, and I knew that if I wasn't a good candidate, or if it wasn't something that would be beneficial entirely, that she would never tell me that it was a good idea. And I saw her life, and I just trusted her in that. And so I came in and had an appointment, and she said, "You're a perfect candidate." So I completely trusted that. The entire staff, Dr. Wang, of course, I knew was very professional, and I didn't have to have it done. I didn't have problems. I didn't have, you know, it wasn't a big deal for me to wear contacts even, but I knew that it would be so much easier if I didn't have to. So I wasn't going to just go somewhere where I could potentially come out with worse vision or a harder time of things. And so talked to Dr. Helen, came in that day. My husband came in with me. It was a Friday afternoon, and it was fun. The whole office was just fun. The staff was great, very professional, answering any questions that I had. But I told him, I felt like I came in, you know, we came on like it was a date night, and I came home with better vision. So we were having fun in the lobby waiting, and I went back there in the room, and I was smiling. Like you said, they're very professional. Put your hair back. You know, I had no pain. And I feel like I'm an observant person. If it was painful, I would know. And like when they were finished, you set up, and I could actually see better, just like what they were saying. It's the truth. I could see the clock on the wall, which never would have been a possibility. And so kept my eyes closed that night, put drops in, no pain. You went to the bed, came in the next morning, and had 20/20 plus vision, which means it was better than 20/20. So it's still that way, and I highly recommend it if you're, you know, for cataracts. I didn't have that yet, but if you're thinking about anything that has to do with your vision, I highly, highly recommend Dr. Wang and his staff. So, great experience.
So I guess Michelle's take-home message here is she trusted Dr. Helen Bowerman, who is our optometrist, chief optometrist here, and they go to the same church, and she has known Dr. Bowerman for a long time. So I think the point is you need to get opinions from people who you can trust, who you love, and that information is reliable. You know, you need to do the homework, but from information from people you can trust. Thank you, Michelle.
I forgot to tell you, I finally threw out my glasses and my contacts. It took me a long time because they were just, it's like throwing away like a piece of furniture that you use every day. You know, you're like, I'm going to need that. And so I finally threw those out, and every night my routine to go to bed is like cut in half. I don't have to take out contacts or put them away, find my glasses. I told my husband I can like finally walk to the bed and actually see it. I'm not stumbling on the way to bed. So you guys probably have gone through that too. It's awesome.
Thank you.